Gujarat High Court will deliver its verdict on the review petition filed by Congress leader Rahul Gandhi in a defamation case tomorrow. This over his Modi surname remark. Is the this is the big breaking news that we are getting to you right now. For more details, let's quickly go across to our correspondent Ananya and Pallavi, who are both joining us on the phone line. But in the meantime, important to give you a brief in terms of what to expect from the verdict. There are only two possibilities as far as Rahul Gandhi's disqualification is concerned. It could either be stayed. If it is stayed, he will possibly not be disqualified. And if it is not stayed, there is going to be a possibility of Rahul Gandhi perhaps challenging it at a higher bench of the Gujarat High Court. Earlier in March, a local court in Surat had convicted and sentenced Rahul Gandhi to 2 years in imprisonment over a criminal defamation complaint that had been filed by a BJP legislator named Purnesh Modi. For more details, I'm joined by Ananya Bhattagar on the phone line. Ananya, take us through what are the two possibilities that Rahul Gandhi will be facing tomorrow during the verdict.
Well, two possibilities that Rahul Gandhi faced before. In fact, with this verdict is that, if at all this conviction, the stay on this conviction is granted by, the Gujarat High Court, then Rahul Gandhi can certainly go back to the speaker and say that, since my conviction has been stayed by, please restore my membership with the parliament, and also can be given out his right to actually fight the 2024 elections. But if that does not happen, Rahul Gandhi would not remain a member of the parliament, which he is still not. But also he will have to approach a higher court, which is since it's a revision petition. Appeal to a revision petition basically lies before either the division bench of the particular High Court, that is the Gujarat High Court itself, or before the Supreme Court. So we'll have to wait as to how Rahul Gandhi actually decides and what happens next in this particular case, since it was a very, very long hearing, almost 2 to 3 days long hearing taking place. Dr. Singhvi arguing for Rahul Gandhi, while there were many questions from the judges as well when this matter was being heard. But finally, when the matter was reserved, it was a long wait for Rahul Gandhi. So we'll have to wait and watch for tomorrow as to what happens. Right. How, what outcome would it be for Rahul Gandhi, whether it would be answering not only political but legal questions.
Absolutely. Ananya, before I take my next political question from Pallavi, I just want to quickly ask you, at a time when the Chief Justice of India has called he's described the basic structure of the Constitution as the North Star of India's democracy, what are the chances that the Supreme Court will defend Indian democracy at such a time?
Well, at this point of time, we'll have to first see the order of Gujarat High Court, and then only, somewhere or the other, we can discuss as to how and what happens next into this particular case. But tomorrow's order certainly is a very important one, both legally and in fact politically for Rahul Gandhi, because all of it depends on tomorrow's order itself.
Right. Pallavi, I'd like to come to you finally. What is the road ahead? Because remember, everybody is talking about the opposition unity, and people, in fact, political analysts have said that Rahul Gandhi's disqualification could prove to be that turning point in Indian democracy. How much rests upon tomorrow's verdict?
Well, Rahul Gandhi particularly has tried to make this a turning point, and in fact, not just him, but the entire party. If you look at Rahul Gandhi's Twitter bio, it talks about him as being a disqualified MP. So they are braving it out. They are not even being apologetic about it. And in fact, Rahul Gandhi himself at repeated press conferences and his interactions abroad has made the point that the only reason why I was unfairly, and this was a harsh punishment given to me, and this was an excessive one, is because I'm the only one who keeps on asking tough questions of the Prime Minister and of this government. So even if his conviction doesn't get stayed, and even if he's not able to contest the 2024 Lok Sabha elections, he's certainly going to be campaigning extensively for the party and make this a point. far as opposition unity is concerned, I mean, interestingly, one of the first ones to stand by him was Mamata Banerjee, despite the not very good relations between the TMC and the Congress. And in all opposition unity meetings in Patna, in Bengaluru, they are, of course, making the point that anyone who dares to stand up to the powers that be, in this case, the central government, is always having to face the wrong end of the stick. So apart from the legal battle, it's a proven political battle is what the Congress party wants to look at it as.
All right. Many thanks to you, Pallavi Ghosh and Ananya Bhatnagar, for bringing in all those latest inputs on this news story. CNN News 18 will be keeping a very close watch on this verdict. Stay tuned to CNN News 18.